If you're fortunate enough to buy wheels from Japan, then you probably know it's a nice gamble on exactly what you're gonna get. Sometimes they might look like this, or sometimes they might look like this. That's just the reality of buying vintage JDM wheels from thousands of miles away. So in today's video, we got just that. We got a couple wheels here from overseas, so let's jump right into today's video and take a closer look at them. Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and if you're in the market for some vintage JDM wheels, make sure to hit up threepiece.us, or you can visit heritagewheel.com for our fully customizable brand new wheels. But today we're going to be talking about work VSXXs. We got two sets here with us today. One of them is an OEM set that you could find on our website for around $1,899 with a lug pattern of 5x1 14.3 and is a 17x7 with a plus 35 for the offset with its beautiful mesh design and of course its beautiful gold finish. Then we have a built set, which is my personal favorite, and I'm sure it's a lot of you guys' personal favorites too. But this wheel was fully rebuilt with a new barrel and new lip. So keep in mind, if you do have a set of three-piece wheels at home with a tiny lip, you can always make your wheels look just like this. But something that you probably didn't know is that Work officially launched on March 8th, 1977, and they are only manufactured in Japan. Work has only a few manufacturing facilities around, and to be exact, they got two in Okayama and their headquarters in Osaka. But these wheels right here are going to be the same 5x1 14.3 and is a 17 by 10 inch wide with a very nice offset of -15. Now because this set being rebuilt, it is going to start at $3,759, which for a built set that all you gotta do is mount a tire on it and slap it on your car, that's not that bad of a price. And they look freaking beautiful. But I also wanted to add, we don't always have to replace the barrel. We do reuse OEM barrels, and that's just because some of these barrels are in great condition and there's actually no need to replace the barrel, so we can actually mark down the price for you guys. And come on, let's be honest, only you and your tire shop will know you have an OEM barrel. So it's not the end of the world. You're just ultimately going to be saving money at the end. So please just thank us later when you have enough cash to go buy a chicken bake over at Costco. But you guys already know, if the wheel does not pass our quality standards test, that we will replace all four barrels. And if we're already replacing all four barrels, we might as well replace the lips as well. And that's pretty much what you guys see here. And doing this will ultimately raise the prices on the wheels. But that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Let us know down in the comments below if you're a fan of Work VSXX or just in Work in general. Also visit threepiece.us, scroll through our catalog, and comment down below which wheel you guys want to see reviewed next. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And as always, we will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.